I got this 2-set of downspout extensions, and here's how they come. And what I really like is they come with this mesh. This mesh here, I don't know if you can see it. This is the mesh that I just took out of my gutter. I guess the guys, when they put the new gutters on, that's the mesh they put in it. And I kind of like this idea better. It goes down into the opening, so you just can scrunch it to fit it. And then I just put the new downspout extension on the house. This screws on the end of here, and that's it. It's as simple as that. It's a super easy installation. And let's take a look at it over here. This end piece just screws right in there. This is my old one. It lasted 2 years. I was still getting a lot trapped in the gutter, and this last time it rained, it overflowed. So I've cleaned the upper part of the gutter out. I'm gonna actually take that bottom piece off and attach this part up there so that I can extend it out farther. So let me get that piece off and get it attached, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, I took out my elbow because I felt like things were getting stuck in it. So I just went ahead and took the elbow off, and I attached the downspout to there. There's my old one that lasted 2 years in the sun. It just got brittle in the hot Central Texas sun. So I'm pretty pleased with how easy this is to put together. And I'm really pleased with this screen option instead of the flat one, and we'll see how it works. We're expecting about 7 inches of rain over the next week. We've already gotten 5, so we're very thankful here in Central Texas to start getting some rain, but it means I got to clean all my gutters. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, follow me for other homeowner and DIY tips. Thanks.